Let's see how to add a legend to your Excel chart. Looking at this chart on the right, notice that I have the legend added over here, and it simply shows me what each individual bar represents. So let me show you exactly the steps that you need to follow to add that on this chart on the left side. First thing is to click on the chart, and that will enable these 3 new tabs. We have to go to design, and from design, identify add chart element over here. Simply go to legend. What these options are going to do are going to place your legend to the right, to the top, to the left, or to the bottom. So pick whatever makes sense to you. In my case, I'm going to select right. And just like that, notice my legend has been added over here. These are the steps to follow to do that yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. And if this didn't work for you as you expected, leave a comment and I'll try to help you out.